Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating custom views for task management in Todoist, your ultimate guide for 2025. Let's get started. The first step is to open up your Todoist app and click on the Add View button located at the top right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to creating personalized views that match your workflow. Personalized views allow you to filter tasks in a way that makes sense to you, making you more productive and organized. Once we've done that, you should see a new dialog box asking for the name of your new view. Here, you can be as creative as you want. The reason we do this is to identify each view easily, so it's good to choose a name that reflects the tasks it will contain. For example, if you're creating a view to track all your work-related tasks, you might name it Work Tasks. Now, after naming your view, you'll see the Add Filter option. This is where the magic happens. This helps us because it allows us to set specific parameters for the tasks that will appear in this view. You might want to see only tasks due today, or tasks assigned to a specific person. The possibilities are endless, and you can mix and match filters to create the perfect view for your needs. Next up, once you've set your filters, hit the Create button. Just like that, you've created your first customized view. It's important to remember that these views are flexible. You can always go back and edit the filters or the name if your needs change. Now let's take a pause here. Let me explain why this matters. Todoist is all about streamlining your productivity, and custom views are a powerful tool in achieving that. They allow you to sort through the noise and focus on the tasks that truly matter to you. You are in control of your task management, not the other way around. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've created a custom view in Todoist, tailored to your specific needs. Remember, the key to task management is staying organized, and these custom views are your secret weapon. That's all for today's tutorial. Keep experimenting with different views and filters to discover what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.